Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve issues with the Windows installer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So Windows installer is a software component and applications programming interface of Microsoft Windows used for the installations, maintenance, and removal of software. O paano ba natin ito i-fix? And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa services at dito lang sa services local, so kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Installer Services. So scroll down and dito na siya. Okay, so makikita mo dito na Windows Installer and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click and then pop up ito kanyang Windows Installer Properties. And then ang next step ay dito lang sa General at dito lang sa Service Status ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong Start. So click mo lang yan and then wait natin. And then after ay dito sa running, kailangan mo lang i-click tong stop. So click mo lang siya. And then wait natin. So after dito ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong OK. And then after dito sa services, so close lang natin. And then dito lang ulit sa search menus, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. Right? So after dito sa CMD, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito na sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart para ma-fix yung issues. Click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to troubleshoot issues with the Windows installer in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.